Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the US dollar against the Singapore dollar. I'll be discussing the fundamental aspects affecting this currency pair, and I'll also be identifying the key technical levels that you need to know going forward. So the US dollar against the Singapore dollar has been a currency that's continued to strengthen since we've seen the results of the US election. And I think really the main fundamental development in this currency pair is Donald Trump's perceived policy stance against a number of Asian currencies, and I think his trade policy against China. So we've seen a flight out of Asian currencies and a move into the US dollar, and of course the US dollar Singapore has really been a leading barometer, not only for Asian currency risk but also for US dollar strength. So if we have a look to the key technical levels on this currency pair, so far since the US election, we've made a high of around the 141.77. To note is the high that was set back early in the year around the 144 area. If we have a look for the key pivot this week on this currency pair, it will be the 140.100 level. So if we have a look to that 14100 level, if we move underneath that level, we can potentially break back into this channel here, and I think the key test for here will really be two levels. You've got that key 140 level, and of course you've got the 138.90, and that 138.90 has really been a testing ground for this currency for some time. And if we do break back low, that psychological that 140 level, and we move back towards the 138.90, that will be a key test for the market. And if we do lose that 138.90 level, then we have the potential to test the 136.90, and that will change a lot of perceptions on this currency pair. But of course at the moment we're continuing to look strong on this currency, and we are making new highs on a daily basis. And if we move back towards the high set around the 141.77, if we break that, then it's entirely possible that we will make our way towards the 142.50. And if we really may be tested for supply and demand around that area, and the 142.50 offers some resistance for this currency. But if we do break that level, we of course have the potential to move into the 14300s, 144 area. But at the moment, keep your eyes on that high around the 141.70 for clues, and of course that crucial pivot around the 14100 area. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers, and ActivTrades